Kuliah pun fibro season 4 kijing petip nam ta kikhuborlaitkam teh kene ke video ke benta ngan petip kikambalait kepada po meghalaya State Olympic Association bat kikhuborlaitkam hikai sau tylli kibalait sampai video do bakut nam ta kijing tip video bat ini post kibalait teh kene ngan petip shwa kepada kibalait po MSOA Meghalaya State Olympic Association invite application for the following post below kene ke number post multitasking tanggawai qualification they graduate in any discipline akan discipline ro la ban apply essential eligibility they belong proficiency in Microsoft Office MS Word Excel PowerPoint tumut ba ya bandap ya ka computer course pantip begini and number of posts number 2 pada kena di physiotherapy dan kami way qualification certified essential eligibility experience in the relevant field. Applicants are requested to submit their CV to Meghalaya State Olympic Association Olympic Office kepada napo JN Stadium Polo Ground or can be sent through email filaban seru link ba email tiba ko apply meg association@yahoo.com on or before 6 September filaban send email ada ayang ne on or before 6 September ane filaban lek hi sepo office kepada napo JN Stadium Polo Ground. For further detail, filaban su kontak ro igne ban keli bani ha namta gine post dai saulai ndru way not r dream relay bat dai prasan dream not sa way lai ndrusan ko ban apply phim pat yo jing sai ha te filaban phone ni kini nomor artalik betap ai hang ne te Kam Hikai balai pada one assistant teacher at Wa Lingdo lower primary school Wa Lingdo mau kanro ko mau kanro minimum qualification kedai class 12 with 50% for general 45 for SCST candidate and DLED habdap ya ka DLED lane 4 years BE lane 2 years diploma in education special education deka operation limit namta ki ST kedai suppose name namta ki OBC kedai life pras name namta ki OBC kedai life pras name on the deficit system kedai deficit system akan dit should possess the lower primary MTech certificate. Interested candidates should send their application in standard form to the Secretary Managing Committee or Office of SD SEO Shillong, room number 4 on or before 30 August 2024. Contact number ladap I. Kita kuat apply kan mau ladap himla ban poi support Secretary himla ban poi Office of SD SEO Shillong, room number 4 on or before 30 August 2024. Contact number ladap I artali praway lai ark nai not khadway nrew bat pra lai nhiều not nhiều san khar ti ba kwa ban apply namta kaneka post po waling do kadai deficit te phila ban le ka ban kam sakawai pan one assistant teacher at Lumkansai Presbyterian Lower Primary School Smith kaneka po Smith kumju hi class 12 with 50% for general 45 for SCST candidate Minta pika dilat lana 4 year BE lana 2 years diploma in education special education operation meet umtahi suppose name la life pras name ngik OBC te salary kede under system kanero candidate should possess lower primary MTech certificate. Interested candidate should send their application in standard form to the Secretary Managing Committee on or before 30 August kanero kajuhi last date pik life 3 August arjar sao contact number adabai filaban phone namta jinte bakamnya khnai pra drew r line drew khnai way to atli kede ki post mau deficit system second way require one post of Hindi assistant teacher at Nongtulu Secondary School D1 salary deficit qualification BA MA Hindi with BEd. Last date of submission application is 26 August 2024. Interview date will be informed later. Ladap I number phone ro kanero de deficit tamajong Hindi lam de BA MA Hindi with BEd. Dai pran rew are not line rew sao nyosan lane pra lai nyo sao no not nyo sao san nam ta jing tep bakhamne klaban phone sakane way one post of assistant teacher at Right Sadeu La James Secondary School Sadeu salary government science grant qualification BSc PCM with BEd age as per government norms candidate may submit application platform along with educational certificate time between 10 to 2 p.m. Last date kande R4 August arjar sao kan dilasai Secretary MC phone number albai khnai way are not sao not nhiều lai sao ki bakwa apply select submit application yung phi kepada R4 class date Te nam ta jing te pakam ni aru number phone na dap ai nine ruwe are not sao not nhiều lại sao. Te tang ini higi jing pedip please one.